Good morning. Good morning. Look who's vlogging today. So I just made an impromptu decision to vlog my day. Today's a Saturday. Today's 23rd January 2021. I'm not doing anything major, so I think I've been shaking the camera a bit. Yeah, I'm not doing anything major, so I've just decided to vlog. Right now, do you want to say hello, Mr. Daniels? Right now, I'm going to the grocery store to pick up a few things. I want to make scones today, first time ever, and also to pick up some stuff for breakfast. We're having pancakes and bacon, if we still get to it, for breakfast. And so that's what we're going to. And also we need to do a few things, need to withdraw some money. So we're gonna go do that now, and then later on in there I'm gonna also film a video today for my channel, and we've also got a virtual couples event in church, so I'll show you that, a little bit of that as well. And we've been doing 21 days of prayer, of praise. Shay and I, we just invited my family as well, so that's at 9 p.m. every night virtually again, so I'll bring you that along for that. In between somewhere I'm going to sleep because I feel like I haven't slept enough, and I love to have a lie-in on Saturdays when I can. So I'm gonna try and squeeze in sleep somewhere, I don't know where, because couples event is at 4 p.m. We've got that at 9 p.m. I've got another meeting, church meeting or leaders meeting at 8 p.m. So it's a lot of meetings and a lot of things to do, but it's exciting. Anyway, I'm gonna bring you along. I'm gonna show you making scones because I've never made it before. So we're going to do it together. By the way, do you like this? It's got my name on it. It says I'm at Tommy Lola. It's one of my birthday gifts. Mom, Shay. I'll show you my jumper later, but it's literally got my name on it. It says Mrs. Tommy Daniels. Another birthday gift. But yeah, alright guys. I'm going to go now. Talk to you later. Bye. I just arrived at Tesco. So yeah, I need to. It's the Tesco Express. So I need milk. I need a basket actually. It's the first thing I ate, a basket. Okay, let me show you where I'm going. Oh no, I was doing this. You know that whole thing?
I'll see you in a bit.
See ya. Alright. Okay guys, so we just got back from grocery shopping. Guys, please manage this. Okay, let me move back so I don't see properly. I just got back from grocery shopping. Let me show you what I got. It's a bit dark here. Is it better? A little bit. This is what I got, and I'm also going to show you what I'm just going to get up to. I'm going to clean. See, I know that you've seen our kitchen looking lovely most of the time. Actually, let me switch the camera. Yeah, I know you always see our kitchen looking great. Look, it doesn't always look like that. See, this is what it looks like right now. But I'm going to tidy up right now. Okay, before that, this is what I got from Tesco. I got milk. Gonna use that for pancakes and the scones. I got 2 types of flour. Actually, let me just drop it. I got 2 types of flour, so plain flour and self-raising flour. Plain flour is for pancakes. We have some, but it's almost run out. Got bacon, which I'm gonna pop in the oven shortly. Got butter. I got butter, but we've got Uncle butter, and I don't think that would work, but that would be ideal. Got vanilla extract. Got baking powder. Got caster sugar. I don't know if I really needed to get this, but it's apparently finer sugar and it's used for baking. So I could have used like just usual granulated sugar, but I think this should be better. And I got lemon. I really only just needed about one, but I didn't get one. So yeah, that is everything. And I spent £13.65. Did I say cents? No, 65 pence. Okay, so I'm just going to tidy up and come back to you. All right, so I'm gonna pop you over here. Please ignore, like, I did iron this today, but it's still rumpled, please. It might be no vex. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this away, try and tidy up a bit, and then start my cooking. Shay's gonna pop out for a little while, so breakfast, which is brunch at this point, is going to be even more delayed. Not too happy, but yeah. Okay, so forever you will be. All your promises and yes and amen. Guys, make sure you check out the video that has already gone out today. Well, but before you're watching this, that video would have already gone out, and it's titled The Waiting Room. It's gonna be really, really helpful for everyone, particularly those that are, you know, you're waiting on God, or you've been praying about something, it's been a long time, or maybe even not too long a time. So you're just in that waiting room, that God's waiting room. So what do you do in that time? How can you navigate that season of your life? So that's what that video is about. So make sure you check it out. I would link it as well in this video. I'm gonna be filming that later this afternoon. No, I need to take off my jewelry. Well, not jewelry, but my wristwatch. This is so rumpled. I think I'm gonna have to get an iron it before I even film the video. Very embarrassing. I'm sorry. So guys, let me tell you what I've been doing. So I've recently gotten into skincare. So I've started using Ren skincare. Not just Ren, but Ren as well as I'll tell you what like the product. But I just started at the end, right at the end of last year, so probably like 30th of December, thereabout. And I feel like there's been a good improvement in my skin. However, I had a bit of a dip because I added some more stuff and I started breaking out, like even on my neck. I was like, I don't break out like this. I may not have fresh face, but I definitely knew I wasn't breaking out. So I took out like the new edition and went back to the old thing. And today I felt like I really saw, like a week after I stopped the new edition, and like I'm back beginning to see like good improvement again. I don't know what this white spot is. Anyway, so the things I'm using, I use Mary Kay exfoliator, so I use that to exfoliate. I'm currently using Charlotte Tilbury Magic something for my face. I use that for my face and neck, so I use that in the day. So during the day after I've taken a shower, I'll use that as my face cream, and every other day I use the exfoliator. So the exfoliator, I think it actually said daily or twice a day or something, and I thought that's a bit excessive, so I do it every other day. And then on once a week I use a mask, Ren mask, and then every night I use the Ren toner. So I use the toner and then I use the Ren face cream or something like that. This is face cream, moisturizer basically. So I just use the toner and then moisturize with that. And the new addition that I thought like was making me break out, I'm going to try it again just to make sure that it wasn't just like, you know, something going on at that time, but it was the overnight glow something. I think it was supposed to like clear blackheads and just basically give you glow overnight, and I was supposed to use it nightly. So I started using it and I noticed that like I was breaking out here, like on my neck, on my forehead, like everywhere. So I stopped using that, and yeah, now been a week and I feel like, you know, it's my face is getting clearer again. Like initially when I started like using the Ren stuff and like Charlotte Tilbury, like in like a week or two, maybe like 2 weeks, like my skin was really glowing and I was like, oh, I can see the difference. And then breakouts started happening and I was like, no, nip. So I'm gonna try the overnight glow again, just in case the Ren overnight glow cream, whatever, just in case it wasn't the cream and maybe it was just something else. So at some point, but for now I just want my skin to look nice, so I stopped it for now. Yeah, welcome back. So Shay's not back yet, but I know it's going to be really hungry when he gets back, and I'm also quite hungry, so I'm gonna just prepare the base, the pancake, and so that all I have to do left is fry it when he gets back. So I've got my bowl, milk, flour. This is the old one, yeah, so it expires this month. Is it best before? Yeah, best before. So I don't want to make too much pancakes, so I'm just going to, I can't really, let me try and show you. So I've had to bring out the bacon because it's getting too crispy. It's pretty much burnt. Brunch is served. Pretty much lunch at this point. But better late than never. That's a lot of maple syrup. Yes, I know. I'm still gonna have more. Bon appetit. Hey guys, so I'm filming a video as well for make sure you check out this video, the waiting room. Hey guys, so this same day I'm done with my vlog. I'm done with the video I was filming. So now we're on the marriage seminar I told you about, and yeah, I'll just show you our view. Yeah, hello, it's me again. It's now 7:30 p.m. and we kind of just finished the couples seminar. It was really nice and fun, and we learned a lot. So it lasted for about 3.5 hours. It's pretty long. I didn't think it would last as long, but it was good. I think everyone enjoyed it. I enjoyed it as well. So the plan, so I said I was gonna make scones today, right? Feelings, I don't think that's gonna happen. Because right now I need to edit a video, the video that is actually going up tomorrow. So I need to do that, and then at 9 o'clock. So I had a meeting at 8, that's cancelled. But then at 9 o'clock, I think I mentioned about this 21 days of praise earlier in the vlog. I said that we're doing 21 days of praise. So that's just in an hour and 30 minutes, and still need to eat. So I think I'm gonna have to move scones to another day. I may show you when I do it. I may or I may not. My baby struggling. Anyway, so in case I don't come back, I might show you like the at 9 p.m. when we're doing the praise. But in case I don't get to do it, then I'm just going to end the vlog here and say thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed seeing the day in my life, or the parts of it that you saw. Yeah, and babe, do you wanna come and say bye since you're kind of in the vlog? It's not a picture. You're clearly feeling yourself.
Feeling myself. Oh, sorry. Bye, guys.
Alright, guys, please remember to subscribe, watch my old videos, share, spread the word, okay? Help me grow on YouTube. Please, and leave a comment, please. Bye. Bye. Guys, so it's a few days since the vlog, the day in the life vlog, and I didn't get to make the scones as you would have seen that day, but I'm making it a couple of days later or a few days after, so I thought I would insert it into that vlog as well. So these are my ingredients, as you've probably already seen. I'm preheating the oven as well, and this is my baking pan ready. This is what I'll try and show you everything anyway, but this is what I'm going to be cutting the scones with. Scones made with love. So my scones are going to be heart shaped. Yeah, all right, let's get straight into baking. All right, I've got my first customer who is ready to try. Can you say hello, customer?
Hello.
All right, so let's get your honest review. Do you try it alone first and then try it with the jam? All right, customer. Okay. I thought you were gonna try plain, like just taste it and see. Hot, you can see the steam.
Nice.
You sure?
Yeah.
Good. All right, let's try it. Let's try it with strawberry
Did you
jam.
say this was your first time?
Yeah.
And you had to believe.
It's like a pro, right? That looks so good.
I know.
So we're not showing faces today.
Well.
So how does it taste with jam? Unfortunately, they can't see your face. Best scones ever, isn't it? But seriously, seriously, out of 10, what would you rate it? Honestly.
It?
Ooh, that's good. Thank you. All right, guys, that's the end.
Texture?
Okay.
10 over 10.
Ooh.
Fluffiness, I guess that's also texture. Presentation, 10 over 10.
Thank you.
I think the only thing that gave it up was maybe it's not as sweet as I would have loved, but I guess I've got a sweet tooth, so yeah.
Okay.
It.
Great. Thank you. All right, guys. Now signing up properly on this video. Bye.